This is just a quick run through on why I like these little bubblers that are adjustable. It runs off this 1/4 inch tubing. You're able to make some fine adjustments on it, open it way up or drop it way down, and in fact you can shut it off if you no longer have plants in the area. This way I can just kind of saturate the area around the garden plants to be able to keep them thoroughly saturated where the rest of the area inside the garden doesn't get any water really at all unless it rains. Now I'm just going to go through and show a little bit of the cleanup. I made it very simple this year. Right now I've got a plastic tarp down, which is what I've used for about 10 years. I replace it every 2 years. It's super thin plastic that is actually used more for painting than it is for garden stuff. But I found that it actually works better than the regular garden mat that you purchase. That is, that's supposed to keep the weeds out. This actually keeps the weeds out. That doesn't. I usually poke a bunch of holes in it so that it can allow water to escape, which also allows it to breathe a little bit. I've checked, and I don't wind up with mold or anything underneath, so I don't, I feel real good about it, and I've had the best results with using this product or this type of plastic to be able to do the garden. That's why I do what I do. Anyway, cleanup is just about done. I'm using the nifty little Craftsman blower there. It's definitely not for commercial use, but for a little home job, I really enjoy that. Now here comes the plants. I think there's 5 or 6 plants there. Anyway, they've seen better days. They got stuck out in the sun for a little bit. Well, they waited for me to take care of them, and they dried out a bit. So what I typically do in this case is just stab straight down in the soil and create a little rut. I go through, once I pull the plastic out, and recondition the soil every other year with some really good organics. And the only place that I actually have to do any of this tilling is right here in the middle. There's actually a hump there that you can't see, so it raises it kind of like a raised garden bed just slightly. It does help for less bending, and it just makes for an overall better experience. Now this is just showing how sometimes these will get broken. So I'm trying to make the repair here. I'm going to try to do it one-handed, and I'm not successful. So I snip this off and then have to try to push that on, because all it did is just tighten that end up so that when I push it back on, it will hold in place. So I have to quit at this point and show you a picture of how it actually turned out. You just push that back together and it will hold as long as you're only running, say, less than 50 psi through the system. And then again, it's that same where I was showing you before. This is the same video where once they're working, I turn it on to be able to make the adjustments. Please like and share.